Welcome back to our second session. In the last session, we stopped at the explanation of real account. Today, in this lecture, we are going to see about the next two type of account, that is personal and nominal account. Starting with the personal account, as the name says, personal. That means any account which has connection with a person. It can be an artificial person. So what comes under an artificial person? Name of any company, any enterprise, school, college. So those things, those fall under the category of artificial person. So personal account basically records about name of a person, name of a company, enterprise, any organization. Then let's see what can be the examples of it. So the first example is Amit's account. Suppose we have given money to the person. So we are going to write the name of that person in our books. So it will fall under personal account. Another example can be Reliance Company's account. It's a name of a company. Then MSU's account, that is Maharaja Sayajirao University's account. You have paid the fees or transaction done with the university, so that it's the name of the organization. Same way, there are endless examples. Just keep in mind whenever you come across name of a person, name of a company, any organization, any enterprise, so it goes under the category of personal account. Then moving to the third one, that is nominal account. Now in this nominal account, what comes? So the income and expenses of the business come under the category of nominal account. Now what can be the income and what can be the expenses? So we can look at the examples. For example, you have paid wages. It's an expense which is occurred on a regular basis. So wages, salary. Electricity bill you have paid, so it's an expense for the company. Depreciation. Now depreciation again, it's an expense which is occurred on your fixed assets. Then if we talk about the income, dividend received, any money we are receiving, so that comes as your income. Discount received, it's an income. If I am writing discount allowed, so it becomes my expense because we are allowing the discount to the customers. So it's an expense. At the same time, discount received is my income. What else? Interest we receive from the bank. when we open our current account or savings account, the interest which we receive from bank, that is also a sort of income for us. So these are various examples of expenditure, expenses and income which fall under the nominal account. So to identify personal and nominal account, it's quite easy to differentiate. Personal account, just keep in mind name of a person, company, enterprise or an organization. At the same time, if we look at the nominal account, it means remember income and expenses. Now we'll just quickly go back to the first type of account which we did in the last class. So what comes under this category? Transactions related to goods, assets, all type of assets, whether it's fixed, current, tangible or intangible, each and every sort of assets come under the category. And there are some special transactions like goods destroyed by any natural calamity or man-made calamity. For example, theft, accident. So those are man-made calamities. Natural calamity is like flood and any other thing if due to rain the goods are getting destroyed. So these are the special categories of goods transaction. In this we have to remember four things: purchase, sales, purchase return and sales return. Assets, fixed, current, tangible, intangible, all four types of assets come under this category. So this is in total your three types of accounts which has to be understood very nicely if you want to solve or if you want to go ahead smoothly in your account subject. Now just a small tip I am going to give you in today's lecture, as students generally get confused between two things: drawings and capital. How to identify whether drawings and capital will be debited or credited? So just remember, D for drawings, D for debit. It is always going to get debit. C for capital, it's going to get credit. C for credit. So this is just a trick to remember about the debit and credit of these two account, drawings account and capital account. This we will further continue in the next lecture about how to give the debit effect and the credit effect to all different types of accounts. Now if you want to learn more things in detail and in a best way, you can definitely contact us for our offline classes. The address and everything is being shared at the on the below video. Thank you.